Action.
Hi, this is Mackenzie, and Chapter 2 on Abraham Lincoln was about law and politics. And Abraham Lincoln's big debate was against Stephen Douglas, and it was mostly about slavery. Stephen Douglas believed that the state should choose whether they want slaves to plant their crops and everything. And Abraham Lincoln believed that slavery was evil and should not be allowed in any state.
What else?
He had a wonderful lack of education because he read so many books.
Okay, what else? One more.
He was born in...
No. Politics.
Politics, let me think. He won, have we got there yet?
President?
He won as president because Daddy thinks that there's a...
Well, we're not there right now.
Alright, let's start over.
No, that's good. Say goodbye.
Bye.